I'm hooking into a rappel, and I am using a double line. I'm using a rescue 8 or figure 8. And the way I'd put my D-ring or carabiner on is I was taught, do it like you're hooking a fish in the lip. It goes down, around. Then what you'll do is you'll make a bite with your rope, push it through the hole and over the bottom of the figure 8, and you snap it in place, and then you tighten everything down. And this is your break hand. This is what it looks like. Alright, now I'm hooked in. Now I just got to put my gloves on. And the hard part is going over the wall. But once you go over the wall, there ain't no place to go but down. Yeah. If you're rappelling and you don't have a figure 8, you can use a carabiner or a D-ring. One of the ways that I do that is you'll already be wearing your harness, and this will be in your harness. And what you do is you run the rope through it, and I reach down here and I make a loop. This is called a munter hitch, and that's how it works. That's one way to tie it. Another way to tie it is kind of like how I start to tie a clove hitch sometimes. I make my first loop, I make my second loop, then you fold them together. And you take your carabiner or your D-ring and you stick through, and it does the same thing.